No, Charles Bridge in Prague isn't just an Instagrammable spot. Interesting. This bridge has extraordinary haunted magical tales and perhaps gold digging. Huh? This is Sabina from Taiwan. I'm based in the Czech Republic right now. Not many people talk about the secrets of the Czech Republic online, so I'm here to share 3 funny yet semi-spooky legends you'll never forget. Buckle up, let's fly. So, the X story. Legend says King Charles IV, whom the bridge is obviously named after, wanted a super strong, protein ultra max, muscular, bulky bridge. So he told builders, mix egg yolks in the mortar. Yeah, egg yolks. It's an egg bridge. Some villagers misunderstood the assignment and sent boiled eggs instead. Imagine trying to hold a massive stone bridge together with breakfast food. Totally extreme, right? What kind of experiments were they trying to test? Trusting an egg to hold up this massive stone bridge is top of the top of the top of the top of the Yoda's wisdom. I don't get it. I guess. Some even cracked it a few eggs on top of the lock. Not sure whether we can still do that? Better not. Czech might give you the Lauren intense stare they're good at, maybe with a spark of love, like my husband. Well, the bridge still stands as the oldest stone bridge in Prague though. Extraordinary, right? Find an excellent time to test the huge omelette bridge with your next selfie. Next, St. John. When you're on the bridge, find St. John, aka John of Nepomuk, or Jan Nepomukski in Czech. This is the most famous statue, but it's not just a statue. Rob his reliefs. You might get luck, love, or be teleported back to Prague again and again. Why? King Wenceslas demanded that John the Priest spill the tea of the Queen's confession, but John get captive. The king was like, yeah, okay, keep your little secrets in the river forever. So he threw John into the river from the bridge. When John's body sank, people saw a crown of 5 glowing stars appear on the water. That's why he is crowned with 5 stars in every painting or statue. So, why do tourists rob these 2 shining bronze reliefs on the St. John statue? One shows a dog, symbol of loyalty, so touching it gets loyalty and good luck. So as the spot he was thrown, where is the polished iron? A bit further down the bridge. The other shows John being thrown into the water. Rob him and you'll return to Prague. It's not medieval black magic, more like a modern tourist superstition. But hey, shining bronze makes for a shiny wish. Go wish for something bold. Eternal youth, maybe? It's a touch and go romance. Why not? And hey, stick around for more cultural stuff. My husband and I were traveling around the world. Behind the romance, here's something darker. Look up the top of the bridge tower. 12 noble heads were displayed up there for over 10 years. It was a warning of the rebellion during medieval uprisings. Some stones still bleed, as people whisper. Imagine crossing a bridge that's both beautiful and a little sad. Some believe if you step on the right stone, you can feel the horror vibrate from your toes to head. Go feel it for yourself and tell me more about it. And that's it. 3 awkward, magical, and slightly excellent legends of Charles Bridge. Which one did you find it interesting? And what else do you want to know? Comment below to let me know. By the way, one last secret. There is hidden gold under the bridge. Go hunt for your treasure in Prague one day. Verify these tales on your own when you're here. Stay tuned. Have a great bye. This is Sabina. See you in a bit.